What's up, buds? Welcome to Jay's Tasty Vids and Vlogs, and today I'm making air-fried salmon with a side of mashed potatoes and corn. And I also have an air fryer recipes playlist. I'll leave that link in the description. You'll see all my videos that I air fry things, including this one. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications as always. And yeah, of course I have my tasty cap and my We Be Grilling apron. So yeah. So here's the salmon. First thing we're gonna do is score it. This is a little slippery. And preheat your air fryer to 270. Now let me do the other one. And I'm only doing one side because the other side is just the skin. Which pretty much looks like aluminum. Now the scoring part is optional, but I just like to do it. So it cooks better and the seasoning actually penetrate. But that is optional. Alright. So that looks nicely scored.
Okay.
So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put.
Are you gonna wash hands?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna do, right? Okay,
And then I just finished washing my hands, and now I'm gonna drizzle 1 teaspoon of oil on them.
You're not gonna add the lemon first? Does it say what to do first or no?
No.
Okay.
It just says to drizzle the oil though. And just 1 teaspoon. So yeah, this is actually one big fillet, but we split it in half since it's for 2 people. Alright, so that's pretty much drizzled.
Okay.
So next goes the lemon. So yeah, of course, cut it in half as always, and I might actually do each half for each fillet.
Okay.
And I'm using this to make it easier.
You're gonna try to make it as even as possible?
Yep.
Okay.
And if I need to, I'll use the other half.
Okay.
But so far, this is actually looking pretty good.
Okay, you think it's pretty much even?
Yeah.
Okay.
Might want to use a little elbow grease.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but this does make it easier.
Okay, sounds good. You got it on both?
Yeah, so if you have it, use this if you have it.
Okay.
Yep, I got them on both. I don't think I'm going to need the second half.
Okay, great. You were able to squeeze the whole thing? Nice. Yep. Pretty good. I like that. Oh.
Yeah.
Like
and
a little cap.
Actually didn't get any season there, which is nice.
Okay.
You can also use butter, but I'm just using oil instead.
Okay. Either or. Got it.
Yeah. Alright, so now I'm actually gonna move on to my seasonings. I'm not gonna put salt because it already has a little salt since it came from the sea, and
besides,
these
the
seasonings that I'm
adobo
using
should have that.
have plenty of salt too.
Yeah, I hear you.
So I'm gonna sprinkle lightly.
Mhm.
Cause on adobo you could use it for fish too.
Of course you can. Okay. On the other one now?
Yeah. Well, we're doing this the Spanish Puerto Rican way because I'm part Puerto Rican, but yeah, but different people do it different ways. This is like my way of doing it.
You're half Puerto Rican. I mean,
I said part, half.
well, part could be a quarter.
Well, more like half. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right. Look nice.
Okay.
All right. So, yep, this is pretty much ready to go in the air fryer for 15 to 17 minutes. And we're doing it for the full 17 because it's fish and we want it nice and cooked.
Okay.
So let me bring it onto the air fryer.
Okay.
You can also put like garlic cloves or minced garlic, but that has a little garlic, so that has pretty much of everything. So I'm just using that because that has pretty much everything.
Do you want to rub that into the meat, or you're gonna leave it like that?
You mean rub the seasonings?
What do you think?
Actually, I'll rub a little bit. So I'll rub it in
so
a
I
little.
can penetrate.
Yes.
And after that, you're gonna wash hands, yeah?
Oh yeah.
100%, right?
I must.
Yes, you must.
But then when I come back from washing my hands, I'll stick it in the air fryer, of course.
Right, but you can use a fork. So try
Yes.
not to, get the meat on you again. I mean, if you must, you must. But I think it would be smarter to use a fork. I think.
And you try to even get some of this lemon juice that's laying around. So.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So let me ask you something quickly.
Yeah.
Did you put any seasoning on the back, or do you think it doesn't need it?
I don't think it needs it because that's the skin.
Oh, okay. All right. Okay.
And I think the back pretty much got some of that lemon.
Okay.
Anyway, I'll just use it in this like leftover like lemon juice just in case.
The other one too.
Yep. I'm just coating it in this lemon juice.
Okay.
Which got like a little seasoning in now. So. So yeah, but before I do anything else, I gotta wash my hands so we could pause this.
Okay.
All right, bud. So what I did was I cut it in half because I thought it would fit better, which it did. So now I'm gonna.
Are we gonna see the pieces that you cut in half?
So yeah, they fit a lot better.
Okay, good.
So now I'm gonna cook it for 15 to 17 minutes, but I'm going with 17 because it is fish.
All the way to 17, right?
Yeah.
Or more. I'd rather more than less.
Yeah, because these are dots,
So.
Might not be exact. Okay, yeah, but that's 17.
You certain?
Yep.
You could just move it back a little more. You can't?
I can.
Can or can't?
I can.
Could.
Yes.
Did you?
Yes. All right. I think that's exact now. It is.
Okay. All right. So, what are you gonna do now?
Oh yeah. So now we're gonna prepare the mashed potatoes and corn, and you won't see that because the mashed potatoes it's from a package and the corn is frozen, so you won't see those.
Okay. So we're gonna go back when the fish is done.
Yep.
All right. Sounds good. See you later, buds.
See you later. All right, bud. So I just heard the ding, and we're gonna check on it. And it was in there for 17 minutes, of course.
Ooh, that looks delicious, doesn't it?
I know.
Oh, goodness. Okay, so we're gonna take it out. Hopefully, it since we didn't you put oil on the back?
Oh yes, we put
we forgot to film it, right?
Yeah, we forgot to film us putting a teaspoon of oil on the back, so it doesn't stick to the thing and fall to the air fryer and fall apart.
Yeah. Okay. Well, Are we gonna take it out now?
And we'll
But we're
take
not
it
gonna
out.
film now, right? Cause
We won't film us taking it out. So we'll
Okay.
just film once we get it on the plate with everything else.
okay, sounds good.
So see you then.
Okay.
Alright, bud, so I just put everything on the plates. The salmon, of course, the corn, and the roasted garlic mashed potatoes. So yeah, I'm about to eat this, and that looks super delicious. So yeah, peace out to Brooklyn till next video.